Hi, I'm Dave Provance. My topic for the assignment number 7 is teaching a flute player, beginning 5th grade flute player, the keyboard. So in regards to the first five notes that they learn, what I want them to have is kind of the half step, what a half step and a whole step is, and the half step, whole step pattern of those 5 notes. And also, since they have 2 flats in their key signature, what does a flat do to the note, to a note? When the students can understand the piano and understand the notes and have a visual of the piano, then I can further use it to teach further scales and intervals and probably many other things as I go along as far as pitch is concerned. Step by step, I would start by having them write down 5 notes. There are 5 notes: B flat, C, D, E flat, F as letters. Then I would play the 5 white notes, B, C, D, E, F on the piano. And a couple questions first: Are the notes higher or lower? The notes to the right, are they higher or lower? And on the staff, are the notes that are higher on the staff higher or lower in pitch? Then I play the 5 notes, white notes again, and said, does this sound like your first 5 notes? They might not know, so I'd probably play it on a flute, and we should come up with the answer is no, they don't sound the same. So I'd say, well, these 5 notes that I'm playing are natural notes. In the 5 notes you've written down, there is a B flat and E flat. So I'd find B on the keyboard and then B flat and say, okay, what does the flat do? It lowers it. And I'd make sure they understood that, and then I would say, okay, it looks like you understand, then find the E flat on the piano. So they should go to the piano and find their E and then E flat. Then I would play the 5 notes that they have written down: B flat, C, D, E flat, F. And so that they would hear what it sounds like. Now that they have that, I would say, okay, between the first 2 notes, how many keys are in between B flat and C? It should be 1, so that is a whole step. Between C and D, that's a whole step. Next one is D and E flat. How many are between? 0, so that would be a half step. And then, of course, finish with the whole step. Once they had that, I would see if, we would label their 5 written notes with the whole and half steps in between each note, so that they have the pattern whole, whole, half, whole for their first 5 notes. I'd have them so now that they understand, at least have a visual of the piano, and we need to develop some fluency. I'd have them play the piano and use 5 fingers, reasonable finger position for a piano player, with the thumb starting in B, and using the other 4 fingers. Then, and I'd have them first say the note names while they play the piano. Then play the 5 notes and then name the steps in between. Shouldn't take them too long to get to be fluent in the simple 5 notes and be able to label them and tell me the wholes and half steps between on the keyboard. But once they have that, then I can start to refer to other things. So I can, again, finish the scale, do the full scale, and later intervals and things like that. So thank you.